Hi and welcome. This is Christine Blackledge-Crowell to heal your money blocks and create a wealth mindset. And this is to enable you to look at creating a 6-7 figure income business in healthcare, or for whatever business you want to do. Actually, it's about creating a healthy mindset of wealth to enable manifestation to happen into your life. So this is series 3, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can create a wealthy mindset. We all say we want to be millionaires, but why is this not working right now? So this series is about how my clients have hit 7-figure consistent month after month after month. And why is that? This is what this is about. So I'm going to give you some helpful tips of how you can create abundance and wealth mindset. So like, subscribe, share if you found this helpful. And also what I want to talk to you about is how you can, things that's taken me decades to master and create, and you can learn all of this in simple as a few days. So change your focus in it to enable you to create a very strong mindset. This will enable you to then focus on creating a successful business. And this in turn will enable you to make 7-figure business, 6-7 figures in your healthcare business. So your mind will need to be transformed in order to create a successful business. So millionaires have this mindset already. Now, what you need to do in order to have this mindset is to believe that it's true that you are a millionaire. But don't look for the money first. Believe that you are a millionaire, and then you will succeed at this. So abundance is looking for you, but not in your current state. You have to change your mindset and believe that you are a millionaire. And then you will find opportunities coming to you at all angles. And you'll be able to find these opportunities which are sustainable, and that you'll be able to create and start your healthcare business in this mindset model. So don't look at where you are now, look at where you want to be and see yourself in that higher state as your higher self. And that is where you start to change your mindset. So for example, in your healthcare business, some people, they just want to get these big contracts. You know, it's like lifting a 100-pound weight straight ahead when you've just gone into a gym and you're trying to pick up the most heaviest object because you want to get strong, quick and fast. You have to start off with the lower weights, and then you build up to the stronger weights, and then you get stronger and stronger and stronger, and then you're able to lift that 100-pound weight. You don't start off at 100-pound weight straight away as soon as you walk into the gym, right? It's the same for when you're starting a healthcare business. Look at the lower value contracts like what I did and my clients did. That's how we got started. We started and built our business through that business model, because many little contracts make one big contract. So for example, you may do some subcontracting, but don't look at it as, oh, I'm only making a few pounds here, or £3 per hour here, for example. Look at it as if it's your business and that you're serving that particular contract, because that contract is the first step to help you to lift those weights, to get to that 100-pound weight. And when you start to look at these smaller contracts, subcontracts, you'll be able to use them as a reference. They'll be able to give you a very good reference so that you can go for the 100-pound weight type of business model. You can look at the larger contracts once you've been able to manage the smaller contracts, because then you've got a proven track record. So build your business around having a mental millionaire mindset, because that will create success for you. Believe that you've got £1 million business and that you are a millionaire, and then you are working towards that goal, and it will happen. Things will follow, and step by step you will get stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger, and then you have created a 6-7 figure business before you know it. But you have to start somewhere. Some people, they just want to jump straight to the top and think, oh, this isn't working because I want the big contracts, I want the big money. No, don't look at money first. Get your mind strong. Work towards those smaller contracts. Learn how to build a smaller business with smaller contracts, and then you will get stronger and stronger and stronger each time. Because why would someone give you a large contract when you haven't even shown evidence that you've managed any kind of contract? So do bear that in mind. Build your mindset up. Yes, you are a 6-7 figure business owner, and you are there right now, but you just got to follow the steps that you need to do in order to get to that status. In reality, in your mind, you know that you are a millionaire or 6-7 figure business owner, but in reality, you have to work towards that goal, and that's by picking up the smaller jobs, getting stronger each time so that you can lift that 100-pound weight. You see, my 7-figure clients, they built their business from starting off with small value contracts, subcontracts, for example. They are now stepped into their power, and they are a 7-figure business. If you don't build your CEO muscle and your mindset first, then how can you cope with the larger, busier business that you will have? You have to build up to that strength. So, for example, I've seen all too many often that clients or individual care providers are not willing to take the smaller contracts. They want to jump straight into the bigger contracts. And sometimes I've seen it the other way around, where they've got a bigger contract that we've helped them to get, and they can't cope with that. So then it then ends up being given back to the buyer. You don't want that for your business. You want to be able to handle something and cope with it, because it is a lot of responsibility. So that's why it's important to build your CEO muscle, to build your mindset, have the right mindset, so that you can accept abundance into your life and wealth. But you have to be able to release and understand that you are there now. You have to see yourself in the higher state that you want to be in order for you to grow and to get to that level. So by faith, in your mind, you are there. You're just not there physically at the moment, but you will get there, because you will be building up your muscles so that you're physically able to cope with this abundance that you'll be given. So what did I do, and what do my clients do? They believed that although they were doing smaller contracts, they believed that they were delivering a larger contract. And they were getting stronger and stronger because they were able to cope with the smaller contracts. And they were doing a really good job. It taught them how to run their healthcare business as well. It showed that they had evidence of managing a service, and also showed evidence that they could service a large contract. This is why we offer our 3-day boot camps, because we want you to build your CEO muscles. We want you to be in the mindset that you are a business owner. Maybe you are a business owner right now that is struggling to get larger contracts. And you want to be in the right mindset so that you can receive these larger contracts. We provide a step-by-step guide, as well as the training that we do, the care provider boot camps that we do, which are held monthly. And this teaches you how to build your CEO muscles and also how to have the right mindset in order to receive, because you need to have that right mindset in order for you to grow in your business. So by taking action, by taking repeated steps in order to get your healthcare business up and running, and by knowledge and by the training that we provide you with, this is your guide as well as your steps to building your mindset to accept abundance and wealth. So, to bring transformation to you, subscribe, like, join us for our boot camps. Book a free 15-minute consultation. The link is here on the website, and I'll be glad to speak with you. But what I'd like to say is you have to create the right mindset in order for you to be able to cope with building a business which is scalable. So I hope this served you well, and have a wonderful day, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon. Like I said, click like, subscribe, join us, book a free 15-minute consultation. The link is here in the website here, and I'll gladly speak with you. And I hope you can join us for our monthly boot camps. We hold them online every month for 3 days. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you. Click the link. Bye.
I'm living the life. I woke up this morning and I thank God for the day. I know things ain't what they could be, but I got a smile on my face. No more tears, no more fears. They won't get the best of me no more. I can stand still or I can move on.